Katie L. Friedman is a seasoned professional in the eye care industry with more than 4 decades of experience and a multi-certified dispensing optician, and she's currently focused on vision loss as a low vision specialist. Katie is dedicated to making a positive impact in the lives of those that she serves. She empowers individuals to take charge of their visual health and equips healthcare providers with valuable insights and strategies so they can serve their patients. Welcome, Katie.
No. I can't see like that one. Hold on. Oh, I can see clear now. The blur is gone. This is a piece of assistive technology, and it has helped me see more clear within the 4 decades that I have been within the eye care industry. My journey began in elementary school, and I'm going to be using an analogy throughout this whole presentation, so I'd like to start with it now. Think of a light switch, and you're in a room, and it's bright. The light switch is all the way up. And then you go click, and it starts to get less bright, more dim. And then you get that final click, and the room is dark. Well, my journey began in 3rd grade, where my parents went to one of those parent-teacher conferences, and the teacher said, she's going to have to repeat the 3rd grade, flunking out of 3rd grade. She's going to have to repeat it. But let's try a couple things. I'll move her to the front of the classroom, but get her eyes tested. So sure enough, my parents did. And I went there to pick up my beautiful new pink cat eye frames, and whoa, I could see the leaves on trees at a distance. How many of you got your first pair of glasses in elementary school? Well, that was my first experience of going from the clear to the less clear to clear again. The blur was less. Great. So here I am in junior high school. My mom is telling me to take off my glasses for pictures. And then in high school, I'm going to a dance. And my mom says, don't wear those glasses. Boys don't make passes at girls who wear glasses. So I didn't wear my glasses. Great. So then I get home and my mom goes, oh, I know you're such a great dancer. Probably a lot of boys asked you to dance, right? And in my sassy way, I said, no, Mom, I couldn't see if they asked me to dance. So she got me contact lenses. She does her best because she didn't know any better. She had perfect vision. Fast forward to college, and I'm taking environmental health courses. And I come home one day and I say to my dad, Dad, I got my first academic A in physics, in optics. And I could see him, so clearly in my mind. He's in the kitchen over the stove making one of his signature omelets. And he says, get a job and see if you like that. And if you do, make sure it's a career where you feel like you're never going to have to work a day in your life. And that's exactly what I did. I went to school in the morning, worked in the optical industry during the day, and went to optical school at night. And after optical school, I got a job with a hard contact lens manufacturing facility and learned how to make hard contact lenses, the old-fashioned ones, and also helped fit weird eyes during those apprenticeship years. And then the owner asked me to set up an optical department. And that was the first one I did, where I actually got everything all set up. And since then, I put together 4 optical departments, 4 ophthalmology practices or medical practices. Fast forward to here, I'm wearing glasses, and my mom, who doesn't wear glasses, says, oh yeah, I don't need glasses. I can just kind of put my arm way out here and get, see out here. But what she do? She got her own assistive technology. Cheaters. Yeah, She went to the store and she got her +1s, +2s, whatever, to help her see better. Magnification, her assistive technology. Well, here are it happens in about your elementary schools, your first less bright. You're in your 40s or 50s. You need to get your magnifiers less bright, and then you get cataracts. And that's when you have really bad blurry vision at night and halos and stuff like that. The blur is gone when they take out the cataract and put in an intraocular lens. Great. And then it becomes more blur. My grandmother lived with me in her 80s. And she told me that the doctor told her she had freckles in her back of her eyes. Now, hey, listen, freckles on your nose as a child, they're cute. Age spots, they're horrible. But having one of those age spots in the back of your eye is nasty. It's called a drusen, D-R-U-S-E-N, and that's debris from the photoreceptors losing their hats, I'm going to say, leaving debris. Nasty. Central blurry vision. So we take vitamins for that and eat our dark leafy greens, carrots, carotenoids, and pistachios and berries. Okay, anyway, click a little bit further. Here I am in the industry working for an ophthalmologist, and this patient comes to me, Lillian. Lillian is a senior down here, and she says, I'm no longer correctable. The doctor can't give me a prescription. And so I pulled out the magnifiers like I was taught. And then her son says, the magnifiers aren't working anymore. Isn't there anything you can do? And I didn't have the answer back then. And I do now. I'm Katie Friedman, and I've spent 4 decades helping people look good and see better. And now I help people as an optician, low vision specialist. I help the doctors' practices consult in their patients who've gone from the sighted to low vision to blindness. Enjoy life more. See beyond that blur. I have I have a gift for you of, oh no, I'm losing my vision, that you can click on the link and get that book. Has 15 phases of the blur. And I want to just say to you, I offer hope to patients. And I hope that you have been able to shift a little bit to that you could see life clearer now that the blur has shifted. Thank you.